Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to redeem my gift card from Capital One Shopping. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into Capital One Shopping using your user credentials. Now, after you log in, you will see this page where you'll have to simply click on My Rewards button at the top left of the screen. So, choose My Rewards from these three options and it is going to show you this page. Here, you'll have to simply browse through the available options and select an e-gift card from a retailer you prefer. On the checkout screen, input the desired gift card value and your available Capital One Shopping rewards will be applied automatically. Now, confirm your choice and you will receive an order confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to activate and use your e-gift card typically within 24 to 72 business hours. Also, if you encounter issues, you can refresh the page and retry or contact Capital One Shopping support. So that's how you redeem my gift card from Capital One Shopping. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.